In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a PNG file in Adobe After Effects. To begin, move your playhead to the frame that you would like to export and select B and N on your keyboard to add in and out points. Next, go over to File and scroll down to Export and select Add to Render Queue to export the frame, or you can simply hit Ctrl+M on your keyboard. Next, come over to this blue text next to Output module over here and select it. And change the format from H.264 to PNG sequence. And if you want to export it as a transparent background, if this black frame here is transparent, what you need to do is to change the channel from RGB to RGB plus alpha and hit OK. And come down to this blue text next to Output 2 and give this file a name. I'm going to call this transparent. And choose a preferred location for this. I'm just going to hit a random location and hit Save. And come over here and select Render. And once this is done, if you go over to that location, you're going to find your PNG transparent file in that location.